Hey guys, welcome back to the NetApp on NetApp video series. My name is Matt Norton with NetApp IT, and today we'll be talking about Spot Eco. As the name implies, Eco is all about saving you money. It's a cost management service that helps you buy and sell reserved instance plans with the hyperscalers, namely AWS and Azure. Reserved instance plans are geared towards saving you money on your on-demand compute, as opposed to spot compute, which is much cheaper, but is not always an appropriate choice depending on your workload. So using reserved instance plans and savings plans, you can still achieve a hefty discount on your on-demand compute. RIs require a 1-year or 3-year term, which means a future projection of your needed capacity is required on your part. And because we're not all Nostradamus, this can be tough to do. The name of the game is to get your on-demand coverage as close to 100% without leaving unused reservations on the table. In terms of administration, Eco is very simple. There are very few knobs to turn. Really just 2 basic steps. 1, you enable access to your billing data in Amazon or Azure for the Spot Eco team so that they can see what workloads you have running and what plans might be beneficial. And 2, you select a strategy which determines whether you would like to prioritize your discount or flexibility. Out of the box, there'll be 3 options you can choose from in terms of your strategy: a short-term, a medium, and a long, with the short-term strategy emphasizing short-term RIs, which mean you are prioritizing your flexibility, versus the longer-term strategies, which prioritize the 3-year RIs, which means you get a bigger cost discount. Let's take a look at an Amazon example. We have a mix of plans purchased by Eco on your behalf that make up 100% coverage for our on-demand workloads. We have a good mix of RIs, both standard and convertible, and savings plans as well. Again, this is all dictated, the blend will be dictated by the strategy that you select, whether you want to prioritize cost or flexibility. And then at the top, we have Marketplace Gold, which makes up 65%. So the Amazon Marketplace is a marketplace where any customer can sell their RIs. If, for example, that they think that they're not going to use them, they can sell those to other customers, and the purchaser can receive a discount much larger than what they would get from Amazon directly. Next, let's contrast the Eco purchase blend of plans we just looked at, which you see here on the left, versus something that your average customer might do with the self-managed plan number 1 in the middle and plan number 2 on the right. So a customer will tend to take a simpler approach to ease the burden of administration. And for Amazon, that often means using savings plans, which are very flexible, but the discount is not as significant as what you would get with an RI plan. So a customer may tend to simply stick with savings plans. They may not trade on the marketplace at all. And therefore, they won't get as good of a discount as they would using Eco. So the Eco team estimates that they can save 40% more than a customer would save if they were managing the plans all on their own. Once you've enabled access to your hyperscaler billing data for the Spot Eco team, you'll gain access to a wealth of reporting information in the Spot Eco console. If we look here, we'll see things like savings over time. So in the green, we see that we've saved some money with standard reservation plans. The gold shows us our savings plans. We see commitment over time, so how far out in the future our RIs take us in terms of commitments. We see things like coverage over time. So we talked about coverage for on-demand workloads being as close to 100% as we can get without going over. So we see that here with the purple line. And critically, we see all of the RIs and SP commitments that we have. We can see here in the source column, this shows us that the source was Eco. So that means that Eco made the purchase on our behalf. We can see other plans, non-Eco, which means that the customer, myself, made this commitment purchase. We also gain access to the cost analyzer section of the Spot console, where we have even more reporting information, and you can really slice and dice any way you see fit by things like your AWS account, tags, the hyperscaler service like EC2, RDS, whatever, lifecycle, region, OS, and so on. So really any way you want to slice and dice the information, the billing data, you can do that here. Think of Spot Eco as autopilot for your hyperscaler reservation plans. With Eco, you can ease the administrative burden of managing lots of different plans, and more importantly, save a lot of money. Thanks for watching.